Hi guys, welcome to another video of that horror map. I put my face on the map of the map called Horror Sound of Fear. The Sound of Fear. I almost forgot it, and I already checked the door. It was closed, and I'm sorry because I took a lot long to get back to this video. I can put my face on there, and I took a bit longer to come back to this video because I was afraid. Yes, because I was afraid. Now let's start the video before I change my mind. By the way guys, I'm sorry if I just end like if my audio bugs or if my video does. It's a pretty let's say bad orienting. And I saw last video, I didn't saw this. Dear Jack, stop eating tacos in the roaster, please, it's very messy. I don't know what's roaster, so I just lost this. Okay, I'm very happy today, I don't know why. Let's see. Today I'm kinda like I am strong to play this. Now let's see what's this. Okay, in the last video, if I'm right, oh great, now there's nothing on the chat. Oh god. But I remember that it asked me to find the battery on a shed. Okay, I can see that shed is this thing here, so it's close to the ranger station. Bad thing is it is close to danger, and I don't like danger, and I play on the dark as I'm afraid to turn on the flashlight as monsters can see me easier. So I'll take all of my orange right now and go to the shed. I might scream so badly today. Now let's go. I'm close to start as I don't want any monsters inside the building. I think it's by here. I'm a guess it's by here. I don't know it. Okay, I followed this before, so I'm gonna follow this again. I hope the shed's not like in the middle of the forest, and I'm gonna have to follow, that. Okay, I'm really scared, so I have to turn on this to have a better look where I am. Oh my god, it's bugging. It's bugging, I swear. If I get this jump scare right now, I'm gonna be so sad. Okay, I think it's alright. Okay. Right there. I saw something here. Oh, it was my car? Oh no, it's a shed. Nothing useful here. Oh, how great. There's nothing useful here. What's this? Hey Jack, I saw a thing today. It was weird and really loud. It sounds like a horn of some kind. It was following me, but when I went in a building, it disappeared. But when I inside in the building, I heard its faint noise. Something is out there, man. I know it. I ain't staying long. I ain't staying long. P.S. Stop eating tacos in the roast. Oh my god. Okay, I see that this Jack is really like crazy for tacos, and I'm not so scared today, guys. I'm really not scared today. I think after that video I got more like courage to play this. And I'm sorry if my English isn't so good. Okay, I can see that if I get into a building, then I'm safe. And if I get off, I'm dead. That's how outrageous this is. Let me see if it's open. Oh, there's a path there. Okay, but where do I go? Like, do I follow this or not? I don't want to add a jump scare. Let me put the volume on the maximum. Oh no, I don't like this sound. I don't like this sound. I am liking this sound. Okay, my courage went away. Okay. My courage just went away. All of my courage just went away when the sound just disappeared. Oh, there's another chat there. Guys, I don't like this sound. I'm very afraid. Oh, there's nothing useful here. Oh, great. Guys, the sound is just getting bigger and bigger, and I'm getting so scared. Okay, what's written here? Oh my god. Hey Sam, I saw the thing you were talking about today. It seems to add louder the closer it adds to you. This place is airy, man. We gotta get out of here whenever we can. I was able to evade it by going into a building. Seems not to follow me. When I go into buildings, which is good. Yes, I will eat tacos in the Roser. All I want you can stop me. Yeah, that person really like that tacos. Oh my god, in the spell. Okay, how great. I think that thing was very close to me and I didn't know that. And my earth is so buggy. I'm just so scared. Please don't get closer to me. Oh my god, I have to use a flashlight. Hmm. Oh no, it's getting closer. The bad thing is these trees. They are so big. Like I can see if it will come. Oh please don't get me and jump scare. Please, please, please. Where's the shed? Oh my god, I'm gonna get the jump scare. I'm pretty sure of that. But it didn't seem to be closer to me. I don't know why the flashlight makes me it like slower. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast. Oi! Oh my god. Find the power station. This battery. Oh, come on! Oh, great. Oh, great. No, can I get this? No, I can't. Oh, oh I don't want it out. Okay, let's get back. I need to add back to the ranger station so I can find this power station, as I don't know where it is. I mean, I don't record the map so easily, so I might have to add back there and see how it is. So I can find like, oh, there's the R and there's the go. Oh my god, please stop with the silence. I can't even spell. I'm so scared that I can't even spell. This thing's in closer to me. I can hear it. Okay. Guys, I'm seriously watching the screen as if what's gonna jump on my face. I don't want to walk like in the dark on this path because it's almost invisible, because it's almost like the rest. So I have to use it. Okay, which way do I go now? I think it might be here. It's by here. It's so slow. My mind activating again. I don't like this song. It's back again. Ah! Open up. Okay, I'm home again and I'm safe as it doesn't add inconvenience. I'm just so afraid if I see this monster because I won't be able to add out anymore because I'm gonna be so scared. Okay, so I went on a bar there and went on these 3 things. So now I have to add back to the car, I think, and get to the bridge. But will I have to pass to the danger? I don't want to add to the. I don't want to get passed by the danger. You know that area there. I don't know how to spell this. Anyway. Oh my god. I'm having to add pass to the bridge at the power station. But I think going there it will be my death sentence. Okay, so there's the car. I think I'm gonna have to go by there. And sounds getting louder. That's what is scaring me. This time I'm gonna go by here like this, as I don't wanna see that monster. Oh, how great! Even without flashlight, I can hear it. Oh no! Please stop adding these things, please. Okay, how great! It's just this. Oh no! Will I have to pass to the? I think I might have to pass to the. Oh god! I can hear it getting closer. I can hear it. I can hear it. It's getting closer to me. Okay, I think that I will have to pass through the forest because I can't see any path otherwise. Other this path. Oh, how great! I'm so smart. Eh? If I get in the front of the thing, I'm gonna get so bad. Oh, there's another thing. Was I there? Or was it not? I don't remember. I think I was. I'm so like, wow, I'm so smart. It's the same book? Yeah, it's the same book. I think I'll have to pass to the forest. Oh great. Wait a minute. Alright. Continuing. I've got a little tip. Ahem. Turn on. Flashlight? Flashlight? I think my flash just broke. Did it broke? Come on. I think it broke. I think it broke the flashlight. And here that thing just getting closer. I don't know what that is, okay guys? I didn't play this thing later after that I recorded the video, so I don't know what will happen. Oh, just now just came on this thing. It in my hand. Oh, how great! How great! I turned it off. Okay, turn it on. I think. Oh, great! Dark. Come on. I'm just standing in the middle of that. Guys, I don't know which way to go, so I'll see if it is this path or if I'll have to just go through the forest without even knowing where I'm going. I'm literally like go through all the map just looking for the bridge. As I have to pass through the beer, I can spell so good. Through the bridge to enter the power station. So like it's one thing on another, so I don't have much choices. I don't know which is the path to, so oh my god, I hear this thing. I don't know if it is the monster, but it seems like it. I wasn't hearing this before. Also guys, this one might have a second part as I don't know when I will find this bridge. So like I don't know when I will find it, so yes. Probably gonna have another part. Yes, I think it wasn't what I thought. Oh, great. Oh my great. I'm in the middle of the forest with the flashlight on in like more than... Oh my god, I got a jump scare. I got a jump scare alone. Um, I'm in the middle of the forest by myself with a flashlight attracting the monster to me probably, and I have to find a bridge. What is this? Guys, in there something. What is this one? What does this mean? Oh my god. Okay, stop. It stopped? I think it stopped. I don't want to look behind me. I'm afraid. Oh my god. I'm seriously a lot afraid to look after me. I mean, like, to look behind me. Oh my god, there's a bullying. I have to get the bullying. Come on. Walk faster. Walk faster. Please. Walk faster. Walk faster. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know if you heard that, but it was right behind me, I think. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm so dead. Like, there's where I am, Ranger Station. I already found these three things, like these three sheds. There's the danger and there's the power, the the power where I turn on the light here on the radio station. So if I found these three, the river might not be so away as I think, but I don't wanna. Just now I realized. Maybe the path I have to go through it's the danger one. Seriously, game? Do I have to do that? Guys, I don't know if I go or not. Like, I don't know if I am right here into the second part just now. Fine, I'll go. I mean, I'll go following my car thing. Like, I don't know which way to go, so I will fight a monster. For you guys, I will fight a monster. I might add a big jump scare, I might like pee in my pants. No, I wouldn't do that. Even if I add scared, I don't do that. Okay, so either way, I'ma just follow this. I should follow the shed way, right? I should follow the shed way. So like, if I follow the shed way, I may find the thing. Like, I hate the sound. I seriously am hating the sound. I might follow the shed thing so So I may find the thing more easily, I think. As I didn't know which way to go, I'm gonna go by here and just follow, like, just follow my heart. I'm gonna follow my heart. Like, literally this. Okay. I will get jump scare for sure, but I'm risking myself. Oh wait, did I sell this path before? I don't know if I saw, so I'm gonna follow this. I hope it's the right path. If it isn't, I'm gonna just fall forward. Like, get me, danger. For my subs, I will sacrifice myself. I might stay without sleep after this, but yeah. It's really hard to be without sleep as a just a game. As normally, I'm not scared of horror things. I mean, I am right now because I never played anything like it. Just watch it. So like, I'm so used to horror things that I didn't get scared of it. And I get to the same place. Okay, I will follow this lead. We'll have to go through the forest all alone, and I'm be recording this so I don't lose anything. Like, if I add a jump scare, I want you guys to laugh at my face. Really that. I don't know, but I'm not so scared like I was. I was when I hear something just getting closer to me. I said, I don't know how the jump scare works. And I don't know if I will get the jump scare. Like, I'm getting afraid again. I'm getting scared again. Okay. I'm just following. I might be so lost. I might be so lost. I wish I would hold one of the maps right in my hand. Maybe if I find the end of the map, it will help as I can like go following the lead forest. Oh, I think I just found the end of the map as I can come forward and just follow this. So I can find the bridge. Like if I find a river, I will find the bridge. And I wanna go past through the bridge. I don't wanna like risk myself. I didn't got a how it calls damage. Like I wanna get pressed through because I'm not like swimming. I'm kind of afraid of it. Okay, I can pass through here. Ah! That's why I don't add any damage. That's why then my memory it's still working. How long recording this I don't know, and how it's in so like 20 minutes of recording I don't know either, because should it be bugged by now because my memory of my phone isn't so good. I mean I play on my tablet, so yeah. And there's the lighting. I ain't getting jump scare out of it anymore. I'm sorry if I just like say something wrong on English. I'm still learning it, so sorry guys. 1 year later, I'm walking slow. I don't know if it's because of the flashlight off or if it's the same like walking before. I saw a path there. Oh great, I think it's my car's path, isn't it? Yeah, it's my car's path. That's why I wasn't. Oh, now I understand it. Now I understood the map. Okay, now I know where I go. I'm like being happy too yearly. Okay, probably here I won't be able to go further. Yeah, I mean forward. I don't know if yeah, I know now it's by here. Okay, so I will go by here. What's that thing? Is that something? No, it's just a okay. Okay, now I gotta jump scare with the lightning. Little one, very easy. Oh, I'm surprised until now I haven't got any jumps there. I mean, I was having at the first time as I was like in the dark, but I prefer in the dark and be scared of anything than just like playing with the flashlight. But as I am walking in the middle of the forest, I need the flashlight. For now, I am getting jump scares. I'm happy for it. Where's the shed? I mean, where's the bridge? Seriously, now I have to go through here. I don't like this now. Stop it. Eh, 1 year after in for the bridge, and there's nothing until now. I'm surprised I haven't added any jump scares. I mean, normally the thing would have just come on my face, but until now, no.